Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy crossbody hands-free water bottle carrier. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot and work a foundation chain that will wrap around a water bottle. So it'll wrap around the bottle. And for my bottle, that was 9 inches. And then slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. Slip stitch to join. Chain 2, 1, 2. Work 1 double crochet in each of the stitches all the way around. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, find that first chain 2 and slip stitch to join in the second stitch. And that is the top band. And you can check to make sure that it's going to slide easily over your bottle. So that's the top band in multiples of 3. And now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and that counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. Double crochet in the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches. Work a V-stitch in the next stitch. To make a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Like that, that's your V-stitch, a double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet, all in the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches, work a V-stitch in the next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Like that, so you're going to work all the way around, working a V-stitch in every 3rd stitch. So a V-stitch, skip 2, and a V-stitch, and you're going to do that all the way around. Okay, I worked it all the way around. There's my last V-stitch, and there's my first chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch to join in the second stitch of the chain 3. Now every row is going to be exactly the same. Slip stitch into the chain 1 space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. That counts as a double crochet and a chain 1. Work a double crochet in that same chain 1 space. And that will form your V-stitch. Now go to the next chain 1 space and work a V-stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Like that. So you're working a V-stitch in the chain 1 space of the V-stitch of the previous row. You're going to go ahead and do that all the way around. So go to the next chain 1 space and work a V-stitch. Double, chain 1, and a double. Like that, and you're just going to continue all the way around. At the end of the row, you're going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch. You're going to keep repeating that row after row until the work is long enough to fit your bottle. And now I'll show you how to work this bottom section. I'm going to slip stitch into the next chain 1 space, chain 2, 1, 2. And that will count as a double crochet. Now go to the next chain 1 space and work a double crochet. And you're going to repeat that all the way around. So go to the next chain 1 space and work a double crochet. The next chain 1 space, double crochet. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my first chain 2, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch of the chain 2. And that will close up the bottom of your carrier. Now you can just fasten off and then weave your yarn end back into the finished work. And now I'll show you how to work the strap. So there's my top band. Insert your hook in any stitch and then chain 1, and that will count as a single crochet, and single crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Like that. Chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Like that. You just keep repeating that until your strap is the length that you need. And I have one here that's finished. So then you're just going to go directly opposite on the other side. And if you like, you can count the stitches to make sure that you have it evenly spaced. And then you'll place the strap over the stitches and then just slip stitch to join. Like that, and then you can fasten off, and then you can just slide your bottle in, and your hands-free carrier will be ready. And you can use this same formula to make any kind of a bag or a plant pot cover. Just start out with a foundation chain that will wrap around your container, and then work all the way down, and then just tighten up the bottom, and you'll be ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.